In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the ShowTurtle and HideTurtle functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I created a window with Turtle. Let's make an example to learn how to use the Show and HideTurtle functions. I will draw a triangle using a for loop. I make the loop run 3 times using the range property. I move the turtle object forward 150 units. I rotate the turtle object 120 degrees to the left. I pause the application for 2 seconds. I drew a triangle. I can change the turtle size and pensize values. Now let's add the HideTurtle function. Thanks to the HideTurtle function, the turtle object is not visible. If the x value is 2 in the for loop, let's make the turtle object visible using the ShowTurtle function. In this video, we learned how to use the ShowTurtle and HideTurtle functions. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.